Hello everyone, welcome back yet another lecture of SM online class. In this class, we are going to discuss example on cross product. Okay, so let us start. Example Elements book 363 page. Example 12. First question. This is example 12 and the question is that find a unit vector. Find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vectors perpendicular to each of the vectors two I cap minus j cap, 2I cap minus j cap plus k cap and 3I cap plus 4j cap minus k cap, and also sine of angle between two vectors, and find sine of angle between okay क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट रो थ्योरी जेतेला हमें पढिथिले एई टाइप रो गोटे हमें एग्जांपल सॉल्व करिचे ताकू फॉलो करिकि नंबरटा सॉल्व हबो बाहर करबा कोन हमें दिस इज n कैप इक्वल टू दिस इज वेक्टर a एंड दिस इज वेक्टर b सो हमें n कैप इक्वल टू बाहर कर दबा कोन फर्स्ट हमें a क्रॉस b बाहर करिबा तापरे a क्रॉस b रो मैग्नीट्यूड बाहर कर दबा तापरे से दुयन रो रेशियो जे हमें बाहर कर दबा it is the unit vector which is perpendicular to both the vectors. Okay, I would take on sin theta. This is vector a cross vector b magnitude divided by magnitude of vector a into magnitude of vector b. This is the sine of angle between them, and this is the unit vector which is perpendicular to both the vectors. Okay, now move to question number second. Question number second कहिछि obtain the area of parallelogram कहिछि, that is example 13. Obtain area of parallelogram obtain area of parallelogram whose sides are vectors whose sides are vector I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap and minus 3I cap minus 2j cap minus 3I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. Okay, here is the question. We have to find out the area of the parallelogram whose sides are the vectors I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap and minus 3I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. Let it is vector A equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Okay, and let it vector B, this is minus 3I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. Okay, now here we have to find out area of parallelogram. So area of parallelogram, area of parallelogram equal to what? This is magnitude of vector A cross vector B. Okay, so हमें फर्स्ट बाहर करवा कौन vector A cross vector B, and it is equal to what? This is I cap, J cap, A cap, and 1, 2, 3, and -3, -2, 1 determinant. Okay, and it is equal to I cap into 2 plus 6, this is 8. Okay, 2 plus 6, this is 8. Now minus J cap into 1 plus 9, 1 plus 9, this is 10, plus K cap into -2 plus 6, -2 plus 6, this is 4, and it is equal to 8 I cap minus 10 J cap plus 4 K cap. Okay, now its area equal to what? Magnitude of vector A cross vector B, and it is given by 8 square, this is 64, plus minus 10 square, this is 100, plus 4 square, this is 16. Okay, and this is 64 plus 100 plus 16, this is 0, 0, 6 plus 1, 7, and this is 100, 64 plus 16, this is 8, this is 180. Okay, root over of 180. Okay, तो जेहेतु आम एरिया बाहर करूचे ताहले लिखि दवा गोटे यूनिट, दिस इज स्क्वायर यूनिट, ताहले एरिया टा केते गला? दिस इज 180 root over of 180 square unit. Now next example 14, most important exam रे भी आगो आसी बोर्ड एग्जाम रे क्वेश्चन अच्छी prove by vector method, prove by vector method, prove by vector method in any triangle, in any triangle ABC. Okay, in any triangle ABC, A by sin A equal to B by sin B equal to C by sin C. Okay, this is the question. Prove by vector method in any triangle ABC, A by sin A equal to B by sin B equal to C by sin C. Okay, so let the triangle ABC which is in equilibrium, this is AB, BC and CA, and suppose this is vector A, opposite this is vector B, and this is vector C. Okay, so first हमें लिखी दबा कौन? ABC is a triangle where BC vector plus CA vector plus AB vector equal to 0 vector. Okay, यार solution टा कौन होगा? This is here BC vector equal to vector A, CA vector equal to vector B and AB vector equal to vector C. This formula is called sign formula. Okay, eta first year re thila. Now this is here BC vector plus CA vector plus AB vector equal to what? 0 vector. Now same direction, same order re achi, or implies that BC vector को हमें नीचे कहते हैं vector A plus vector B plus vector C equal to 0 vector. Okay. Now vector A plus vector B plus vector C को हमें पहले कौन 0 vector, और implies that vector A equal to जो कहते हैं this is minus vector B minus vector C. Okay. जदि मैं both side रे जदि vectors B को जदि cross करिबा vector A cross vector B, ताले right hand side रे भी करिबा minus B minus C cross vector B. Okay, यार value इज होके this is minus vector B cross vector B and this is minus vector C cross vector B. Okay, now again it is equal to B cross B 0 vector. Okay, and minus vector C cross vector B को हमें लिखी पारिबा कोन प्लस vector B cross vector C. Okay, so हमें फाइनली कोन पाइले this is vector A cross vector B equal to vector B cross vector C. Okay, हमें पाइले कोन vector A cross vector B equal to vector B cross vector C. Again we know that vector A plus vector B plus vector C equal to 0 vector. Okay, जदि मु vector B को लेफ्ट साइड रखिबी ताहले ए कोन हबो माइनस vector A माइनस vector C हे जिवो. ओके, तापर मु जदि बोथ साइड रे जदि vector C को क्रॉस करिबी दिस इज vector B cross vector C equal to minus vector A minus vector C cross vector B sorry cross vector C. Okay, which is equal to what? Minus A vector cross C vector minus C vector cross C vector, and minus vector A cross vector C को हमें लिखि पारिबा कोन vector C cross vector A. Okay, and it is 0. Okay, so हमें फाइनली कोन पाइले this is vector B cross vector C equal to पाइले कोन vector C cross vector A. This is equation second. Okay, तो हमें इक्वेशन फर्स्ट रे पाइले कोन जे वेक्टर A क्रॉस वेक्टर B इक्वल टू वेक्टर B क्रॉस वेक्टर C, और इक्वेशन सेकंड रे पाइले वेक्टर B क्रॉस C इक्वल टू वेक्टर C क्रॉस वेक्टर A. ओके, तो जदी हमें इक्वेशन फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड को जदी हमें मार्क करबा देखो एठी राइट हैंड साइड रे B क्रॉस C अछि, आ एठी एही इक्वेशन रे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड रे वेक्टर B क्रॉस वेक्टर C अछि, तो हमें कहि पारिबा जे वेक्टर A क्रॉस वेक्टर B इक्वल टू वेक्टर B क्रॉस वेक्टर C इक्वल टू वेक्टर C क्रॉस वेक्टर A. ओके, नाउ लिखिबा हम कोन फ्रॉम इक्वेशन फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड from equation first and second that is vector A cross vector B equal to vector B cross vector C equal to vector C cross vector A. okay, जदि एही वेक्टर गुडा को जदि सेम हेबे ताहले मु कहि पारबी कोन implies that vector A cross vector B magnitude equal to vector B cross vector C magnitude equal to vector C cross vector A magnitude. Okay, now A cross B रो magnitude कोन होबो, this is implies that AB एंगल इज sin थीटा आउ जो यूनिट वेक्टर जो वेक्टरटा या सहित परपेंडिकुलर हो तारो मैग्नीट्यूड 1 आमे मैग्नीट्यूड नै छे ओके नाउ AB sin angle is very important here ओके AB sin ताहले वेक्टर A और वेक्टर B रो के हमें एंगल बाहर करिबा ओके नाउ दिस इज वेक्टर A क्रॉस वेक्टर वी नो दैट वेक्टर A क्रॉस वेक्टर B इक्वल टू AB sin of angle between them and unit vector perpendicular to vector A and vector B but আমি এটি কোন বাহির করছে ম্যাগনিটিউড বাহির করছে ম্যাগনিটিউড যদি বাহির করবা তাহলে n ক্যাপ जो আছে আমরা ইউনিট ভেক্টর তার ম্যাগনিটিউড 1 ওকে তাহলে AB sin angle between vector A and vector B হবো নাও এবে আমি দেখিবা অ্যাঙ্গেলটা কোন হবে ভেক্টর A আর ভেক্টর B র this is the angle between this is vector A so this is the angle between vector A and vector B and it is equal to what pi minus c okay pi minus c so it is equal to sin pi minus c okay now this is equal to BC sin vector B and vector C okay this is vector B and this is vector C so this is the angle between vector B and vector C and it is equal to what pi minus c so it is equal to sin pi minus e okay now equal to this is CA sin vector C and vector A okay this is vector C and this angle is known as angle between vector C and vector A okay and it is equal to what pi minus b okay so it is sin pi minus b okay now implies that this is sin pi minus c so AB sin c and it is equal to BC sin A okay and it is equal to CA sin B ABC যদি আমি তিনটি টার্ম র ডিনোমিনেটর যদি আমি ডিভাইড করে দবা সরি মানে ডিভাইড যদি করবা ABC টার্ম implies that ABC divided by ABC divided by ABC তাহলে কোন হবো AB AB কটি যাব রহি গলা কেতে sin C upon C equal to this is equal to BC কটি গলা sin A upon A and it is equal to CA কটি যাব this is sin B by B sin B by B okay so ଆମେ फाइनली कोन पाइले जदि हमें डिनोमिनेटर आ न्यूमरेटर रो टर्म गुरा को जदि हमें चेंज कर दबा ताहले आसीबो केते a by sin a जो सीक्वेंस रे लिखिबा a by sin a इक्वल टू होबो b by sin b इक्वल टू होबो c by sin c okay so this is the proof now move to example 15 Now example 15 कहै find the area of triangle ABC whose vertices कहै okay example 15 कहै कोन हमकु बाहर करवार अछि area of triangle ABC vertices दै A point B point and C point A रो कोऑर्डिनेट दै केते 1 2 3 क्वेश्चन हम लखुनी 1 2 3 B रो कोऑर्डिनेट दै -1 -1 0 and C रो कोऑर्डिनेट देछि 1 minus 1 0 and we have to find out area of triangle ABC ताले फर्स्ट हमको बाहर करके पड़िबो कोन AB फैक्टर ओके नाउ AB फैक्टर ता कोन होबो दिस इज -1 -1 ओके -2 next -1 -2 -3 next 0 -3 -3 so -2 -3 and -3 that is order pair of it is equal to -2 I cap -3 j cap -3 k cap now एबे हम बाहर करबा कोन एडा हम बाहर कर ले AB वेक्टर तापर बाहर कर दबा हम AC वेक्टर ओके AC वेक्टर कितने होबो 1 -1 this is 0 order pair of 0 and this is -1 -2 this is -3 okay and this is 0 -3 that is -3 now we have find out AB vector cross AC vector AB vector cross AC vector equal to what determinant of I cap j cap k cap -2 -3 -3 0 -3 -3 okay and it is equal to what this is I cap into -3 into -3 this is 9 okay and this is minus plus again गोटे माइनस होबो तो 9 minus 9 এটা 0 হৈ যাব ओके minus j cap into this is -2 into -3 this is 6 okay 6 এটা 0 अछि तो आंसर दिते आसबो 6 and plus k cap into this is -2 into -3 again this is what 6 and it is 0 okay so again it is 6 now this is -6j cap plus 6k cap okay -6j cap plus 6k cap now we have to find out its magnitude this is AB vector cross AC vector magnitude equal to what this is 36 plus 36 root over and this is equal to what that is root over of 72 okay root over of 72 now root over of 72 जदि हम ब्रेक करबा ताले केते आसी टिके बाहर कर दबा this is 2 3 जा 2 6 जा okay 3 3 जा this is 3 into 2 6 root 2 हबो okay ये कहते हैं यो 6 root 2 now हमको बाहर कर अछि कोन एरिया तो एरिया टा कोन हबो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC हमें जानि छै कोन हाफ इनटू AB vector cross AC vector of magnitude okay and it is equal to half into A vector cross AC vector of magnitude केते आछि 6 root 2 okay so এটা যদি 2 3 যদি কটি দিব তাহলে আসবে কেতে 3 root 2 square unit okay this is the answer okay now last example अछि it is important example question अछि so that the vector area 16 example so that proof করা হয়েছে so that vector area of triangle whose vertices have position vector vector A, vector B and vector C each half into vector A cross vector B plus vector B cross vector C plus vector C cross vector A. Okay, this is the question. Okay, here the position vector are given. This is the triangle ABC and position vector are given, vector A, vector B and vector C. First we have to prove that the area of triangle ABC equal to half into A cross B plus B cross C plus C cross A. So first we have to find out AB vector and AC vector. Now AB vector equal to what? This is position vector of B minus position vector of A. This is vector B minus vector A. Okay, and AC vector equal to what? This is vector C minus vector A. Now we know that area equal to what? Half into AB vector cross AC vector. Okay, because it is in position vector, so we write here half into AB vector cross AC vector. Okay, and it is equal to half into, this is vector B minus vector A cross vector C minus vector A. Okay, and it is equal to half into, this is vector B cross vector C, okay, minus vector B cross vector A minus vector A cross vector C minus plus vector A cross vector A. Okay, and this is equal to A cross A equal to 0 vector, and again it is equal to half into, this is vector B cross vector C, and हमें minus vector B cross vector A को हमें लिखी पाएगा कि plus vector A cross vector B and minus A vector cross C vector को लिखिए वो plus vector C cross vector A. Okay, जोटा कि हमारा प्रूफ अछि कोन हाफ इनटू A cross B plus vector B cross vector C plus vector C cross vector A. A cross vector A cross vector B को फर्स्ट लिखि देबा, vector B cross vector C को सेकंड and vector C cross vector थर्ड पोजीशन रे अछि. Okay, so this is all about example of cross product. Okay, हमरो एलिमेंट्स बुक रो हमें एग्जांपल गुडा को कंप्लीट करले क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट. Okay, so in the next class we are going to discuss exercise, that is exercise 12C. Okay, so till that, take care and thanks to all of you.